Okay, came back with the finished video here. Just letting you see what I had going on. The whole catfish is ready, done. I just put them in layers and let it drain onto the paper towels here. That's 2 under there, and then I have the first 2 underneath. Let me see if I can get that one. There we go, 2 right there. And just wanted to come back and let you see what I had going on. Trying to put this one up here by me lifting them. There we go. On the finished whole catfish, and then I had the finished waffle fries right there. They in layers also because I'm letting them drain on to the paper towels. Letting you get a good view of the waffle fries, and they are crispy and good, not like Chick-fil-A, but they close enough to me. There we go. Happy Saturday. Waffle fries, whole catfish. As always, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Just had to come back and let you guys get a good view of the finished fish here. Trying to go underneath to get that under there. As always, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. There we go. And the fries. Put the lids back on. That's what we got going. And this is what we have right now for the side is the leftovers. Happy Saturday. Love you guys. Bye-bye.